Day 2 of our Christmas adventure. Today we have port de bras, and I'm going to give you some tips that are going to help you to improve your artistry. From your ballet bar, you're on the bar, you're doing a demi-plie. Think about how you breathe, how you move your arm, how the port de bras makes you feel like. And that can already be applied from the ballet class. You don't need to wait until you're dancing to improve the way you dance or the way you feel the movements. Give a real intention to the movements. Don't just do a movement because we have to do. My teacher said demi-plie, open, and demi-plie, but rather take the time to think, what does that movement make me feel like? What is that music, the whole atmosphere, each little bit of details of the classroom? Any movements that you do in your ballet class, give an intention, a real intention. And once you find that feeling, that motivation, find a mirror, sit in front of that mirror. My teacher said that to go from brava, first, second, are you gonna add a head movement to that? Are you gonna add breathe? And again, breathe before going down. And that's gonna help you also to gain a little bit of confidence, right? Which is my next tip. Once I was reading an article that a student from the Graham School, they actually have one exercise before starting any dance class, and the teacher described the exercise as they have their arms in brava, and while they go through first up to fifth position, they are going to say, my name, they mention their name, and then when they open, they said, so be it. And that's a way in which the teacher is enhancing ownership and empowerment. So why don't you try that? You're in first position before beginning any class and just said, my name, Yelena, so be it. Why don't you take today's music, the Christmas tree decoration, and we do a port de bras together. So we are going to begin on the right side of the stage, classical pose. You're gonna have your left leg on the back, arms on allongé. We are going to begin by doing a sauté arabesque, balance and tournant. Yep, just that. Sauté arabesque. So left leg is on the back, allongé, plie, left leg open, right leg on arabesque. Now right leg goes in front, one, left, right, and repeat again. Sauté arabesque, balance. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sauté arabesque, balance, sauté arabesque, balance, pick a fifth position, and you're going to have your right leg in front, left leg on the back. Turn through the left side, classical pose, facing the right diagonal in front of us, right leg on the back, and we are going to repeat again the same. Sauté arabesque, balance, sauté arabesque, balance, pick a fifth position, left leg in front. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Classical pose, 5, 6, 7, plie, sauté arabesque, balance, sauté arabesque, balance, pick a fifth position, turn through the left side, classical pose, balance, arabesque, balance, pick a fifth position. We are going to turn towards the right side, pick a fifth position, right leg in front, facing the left diagonal in front of us, coupé. From that coupé, we are going to walk towards the left diagonal in releve. 1, 2, 3, fourth position plie. So, coupé and open, left, right, left, plie, arms on allongé. Now I have my right leg on the back. I'm going to do chassé, tombé, left leg on the back, pas de bourrée, plie, changing spots, now facing the right diagonal in front of us, pas de bourrée. Yep, that one more time. Don't focus on arms coordination yet. I'm going to show you a little bit later. Let's do it again. The second we finish, pick a fifth position, run, 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 pick a fifth position, right leg in front, coupé, and go left, right, left, both arms plie, allongé. Now we go plie, pas de bourrée, plie, pas de bourrée, plie. Yes? That's not that difficult, right? As I walk in releve forward, I have my arms on allongé. However, plie in fourth position goes fifth, first, allongé, legs and arms open together. We are going to change plie, left arm in front, right arm by your side, pas de bourrée, open. Third position of arm, right arm in front, left arm by your side, pas de bourrée, plie. And let's join everything from the beginning one more time. 7, 8, sauté, balance, sauté, balance, pique, and walk, walk, walk. Classical pose, right leg on the back and go. Sauté, balance, sauté, balance, pique, fifth position. Left leg in front, walk, walk, walk. Pique, fifth position, coupe. Left, right, plie, fifth position, arms. First position, allongé. Change legs, left leg on the back. 1, 2, plie. 1, 2, plie. Wow, awesome. So now we're gonna keep moving before we do our music. From that coupe, we are simply going to do pas de bourrée tournant. We're gonna move towards the center of the classroom or the stage or your living room. And we are going to step to the side, right leg and right arm, left arm. So one more time. Move to the right, open left arm, and now we go tendu to the back. En tournant, facing the left diagonal in front, left leg on the back, plie fourth position, open. You have left leg on the back, and we are going to do tendu en tournant, plie, open. Opposite arm to opposite leg. Okay, so we're gonna try this first phrase with the music. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ready. Pique fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pas de bourrée tournant, center. 1, 2, tendu. Fifth position, open. Awesome. Okay, so after we open, we are going to begin with the second phrase. Yep. So from here, we are going to change arms and change arms and change plie to do a pirouette and dedans. Yep. So we have left arm up and right arm by your side. We are going to change right arm up, left arm up, open and goes brava, first position. Pirouette and dedans, tombe, and pas de bourrée to the center, classical pose. Yep. Okay, so let's do it again. We finish with tendu in front of us and change 1, 2, 3, 4, pirouette, 5, 6, tombe, and fast, and right leg on the back. Yep. Pas de bourrée slowly, take your time, and we are going to change left leg on the back, classical pose. And from here we are going to do saut d'attitude, chasse, saut d'attitude, chasse, saut d'arabesque, and run towards the left diagonal in front. Now, saut d'attitude, opposite leg to opposite arm, stay facing opposite to where we're going. Now towards the arm that is up, opposite leg, opposite arm, stay. Arms goes brava, first, saut d'arabesque, run. Arms on épaulement, right leg on the back. So from here we are going to do plie, and we are going to do simple tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat. Finish with right leg on the back, pas de bourrée, slowly plie, pas de bourrée, slowly plie, fifth position, and do it again to the left side. Tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat, plie, pas de bourrée, plie, pas de bourrée, plie. Okay, so let's do phrase 1 and 2 without music, and then we're going to do them both with music. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, sauté, balance, sauté, balance, right leg in front, towards the left side, right leg on the back, and 1, and 2, piqué fifth position, run, 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 piqué, right leg in front, and goes, left, right, left, open, arms, change, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée en tournant, go to the center, and with the music change goes 1, 2, 3, 4, tandi, plié, open, goes and change 1, change 2, 3, 4, pirouette, tombe, and fast plié, pas de bourrée, take your time, enjoy the music, right, left leg on the back, 7, attitude, and 1, and 2, chasse arabesque, run, 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 and ballet. From this pose, 7, plié, tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, fifth position and tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, pas de bourrée, plié. Yes, this scene or this music of this part of the Nutcracker, everyone is arriving to the party. They are showing their Christmas trees. They are receiving all the presents. So let's learn a little bit of pantomimes. So everyone is arriving and we are going to wave. Hi, welcome to my party. Yes, or hi, look at my Christmas tree. Welcome to my party. Yes, so let's add a little bit of that and improvisation. Let's add a 16 count after this pose. We are going to walk, 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 and just use 16 count of pantomimes. Okay, let's do everything from the beginning. Classical pose, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sauté arabesque, balance, sauté arabesque, balance, right leg in front, and walk, walk. Classical pose and balance, balance, piqué, and walk, walk, walk. Now 1 and stop, coupé, and left, right, plié, fourth position, arms on allongé, and change 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plié, pas de bourrée en tournant. Take your time. Happiness. Classical pose to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pirouette de that. Tombe en fast and relax. Add arms coordination. Take your time. Classical pose. Sauté attitude. Chasse. Sauté attitude. Chasse, sauté arabesque, and run, run, pose, and continue, plié, tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, fifth position, tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, pas de chat, 1, 2, plié, 1, 2, plié, and slowly walk, looking around. Pantomimes. Look and say hi. Welcome to the party. Take your time, enjoy it, and we'll repeat everything one more time. The rhythm of the music is going to change a little bit. It doesn't stay the same. It doesn't repeat the same. However, this is a challenge for you to adapt to the music and to do the steps at the same rhythm of the music. The first part is a little bit more dynamic, more faster. The second part may be a little bit mellow and slow. So listen to the music, listen to my indications and directions, and everything will be fine. Just have fun. Let's do it with music.